So I'm here in Johannesburg, Tambo Airport in South Africa, and I'm about to take a flight with British Airways domestically on a Boeing 737. Now, if, like me, you're not from South Africa or familiar with South Africa, you may not be aware that British Airways operate these 737-800s down here. The 737 is a type that BA haven't had in their fleet back in the UK for years now, and they never operated the 800. But here, it's all they operate, and they fly domestically between all the major cities of South Africa. So the domestic BA flights down here in South Africa are actually operated under a franchise agreement by a company called Comair. Comair also run a low-cost airline here called Kulula. You may recognise their bright green aircraft, but they also operate a number of aircraft for British Airways in full British Airways colour scheme. I'm just waiting for my flight to come in. It's inbound now on the approach from Port Elizabeth. It feels so weird sitting here watching BA 737s on the other side of the world. It wasn't long before my ride to Durban turned up. It's a 17-year-old Boeing 737-800 originally delivered to Air Berlin back in 2003. Comair bought it for their BA franchise in 2016 and have owned it ever since. Everything in the terminal is branded BA, from the signs to the boarding passes, which isn't really surprising considering that this is marketed as a British Airways flight. Hello. Good, thank you. Yourself? As I scanned my boarding pass, I got the dreaded double beep, but I needn't have worried because it turned out the double beep meant that I'd been given an upgrade. Thank you. Hello, good morning. BA South Africa's business class is just called Club, and it's in a 2-3 configuration with the lovely big seats that you used to get years ago in Club Europe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board the British Airways flight 62112 to Durban. It is great.
Before pushback, we were brought round a bottle of water at the gate. It felt very strange looking out the window at a 737 winglet with the BA logo on it. Soon it was time to push back for our short flight to Durban. We taxied out to runway 3 left at Joburg, where we had a short wait for some departing aircraft. This Malarian 737 was particularly interesting and kicked up a load of spray as she took off. We powered up and made a pretty long takeoff into the grey skies above Joburg. Our route today then took us southeast out of Johannesburg on a direct course for Durban. Flight time today was 47 minutes at a cruising altitude of 37,000 feet. The service started soon after takeoff. This aircraft's showing its age a little, but still isn't in bad shape for a 17-year-old plane. BA South Africa flights have the same High Life magazine found on their mainline routes, but the safety card wasn't branded at all, which was a bit of a surprise. I had absolutely no idea what to expect in club class on a domestic South African flight, so I was pleasantly surprised to find a full meal service, complete with beers and wines, just like you get on a Club Europe flight back home. Today's meal was a choice of a chicken wrap or veggie wrap, complete with nuts, cheese, crackers and a dessert. I also took a lovely glass of South African wine. The meal was really tasty and well above my expectations for a 50-minute flight. The clouds started to break as we got closer to the coast and started to get some great views of KwaZulu-Natal below us. The coastline soon came into view as we wound our way around the city of Durban towards King Shaka Airport. We touched down slightly behind schedule just after 2 in the afternoon. My flight with BA today cost me £59.38 or around $78 for a distance of 297 miles. Giving a cost per mile of 20 pence. I don't think that's particularly bad value for money for such a short flight, even more so considering the upgrade to club and the fact that the same journey by road takes over 6 hours. Overall, it was pretty cool being able to fly British Airways domestically in South Africa, especially on a 737-800. The service was just as good as in Club Europe, with the added benefit of those lovely big armchair seats, just like short haul business class used to be. Thank you, bye bye. The crew were really friendly as always, and the flight was comfortable. King Shaka Airport is huge and seems incredibly empty. We were the only flight at the airport. Once in Durban, I took an Uber to my hotel, which was about a 20-minute drive from the airport. Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Welcome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Yeah. See you later. Cheers.
How are you, sir?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. Yourself? Checking in, please. Yes.
This side.
Thank you. I'd like to check in, please.
We also have monkeys on the estate.
Right. Wow.
So if you're going out of the room, please close your windows.
Okay.
I'll be able to find you.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Holy cow. Oh my god. Bath in the bedroom, what on earth? Oh wow, look at that view. Oh my goodness me. Here then at the beautiful Zimbabwe Beach Resort, just a short drive from King Shaka International Airport here in Durban, and it is stunning. What a lovely place. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think to British Airways South Africa down in the comments below. Also, if you wouldn't mind giving me a subscribe if you're not already, that would be really appreciated. In the meantime, as always, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time.